बुद्धिस्ट लोग सब लोग वहां पे चिल्ला रहे हैं, पर हम यहाँ पे टिबेटन यहाँ आके उनके लिए नहीं चिल्लाके यहाँ पे आज हम यहाँ पे मेडिटेशन कर रहे हैं. I'm proud to be a Tibetan actually. I'm proud. आज इस बैठक में हम हैं, मेरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट यहाँ पे है, तो His Holiness दलाई लामा की वजह से उनकी वीडियो देखो प्लीज. मैं बोल रही हूँ उनको बहुत डिफेम किया मीडिया ने, सोशल मीडिया ने. तो डोंट जज. सोशल मीडिया गलत बोलता है. Magic is happening. I will prove to come here.
Thank you.
And let you know what I've done millionaires. So free Tibet.
Thank you.
Okay.
All the young people here, if you ever feel alone, just look around today. Take a look around. This is the power of community. This is the power of our people when we come together. So let us rise. If you need to know what unity looks like, this is it. If you want to know what resiliency is, look inside Tibet. The Chinese government has been releasing the portraits of His Holiness the Dalai Lama after decades of being illegal to look up His Holiness's name online. And now, to spread this propaganda, they decided to spread memes and very disturbing photos of His Holiness that are edited. But guess what? Tibetans inside of Tibet are in joy. They're praying. They're happy that they can see their leader for the first time freely on the internet. This is the power of His Holiness.
I will not do something, but I cannot. I'm sorry. So you can. You so. So take this opportunity. My people, this month, don't take HH Miss His Holiness Dalai Lama down.